स्टार्ट किया। Namaste, dear friends, my dear students. I know you are excited to know about our second activity during India International Science Festival, Greenwich World Record Attempts. As you know, this activity is about hand wash activity. All of us, we are living in new normal, and hand wash has become part of our life. And therefore, this is also going to be part of Greenwich World Record attempt. To get more details, we have invited coordinator for Guinness World Record attempt activity in ISF 2020. We have Mayuri Dutt, madam. Madam, warm welcome to you. Very good morning. And we have lots of questions again for this particular activity. I request you to please answer questions received from students. So for this second activity on 23rd December 2020, that is the hand wash activity. So what is this activity and what students will do during that particular attempt? Please explain briefly.
Namaste Prashantji. Hello children. It is true that hand wash activity seems to be a very easy thing. If we say hati to dhona hai. But I would like to tell you all that why we have approached GWR for making an attempt for most students together simultaneously washing their hands. And the main thing is that we know how to wash our hands in a very simple form. But according to WHO guideline, there is a specific system of washing our hands. And if we wash our hands, our fingernails, our palm, our hand properly, then only we can consider that, yes, we have washed our hands according to the norms. So we decided upon going in for this particular activity for the Guinness World Record attempt title on 23rd December. In this particular attempt, we will be having doctors from Public Health Department. And these doctors, my dear children, will guide you, demonstrate in front of you live how hands are to be washed. And then with the buzzer of the sound, you will all have to together wash your hands simultaneously online. Yet again, I want to tell you that you are our own children's belonging to Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, an online talent search examination. And you are very well aware of the app which we use to conduct the exam. So Prashantji, actually the thing is that if I talk about these children, they are our children. They need to download an app known as IISF GWR from the Play Store as per the direction we are going to send them through SMS. After they download that, then they have to start as per the password sent to them. When they open it, then they will be finding the instruction and they will be directly in the Zoom platform wherein we will be observing them how they're doing the work. In this particular program, once again, I would like to advise you that you all have to keep your phone in such a manner that wherein not your face, but your hands can be seen while performing the art of washing your hand. So this is the second activity, which is going on live on 23rd December with our children.
Thank you very much, madam. So there is a special app developed for this particular event, that is IISF GWR, and that is available on Play Store. Students can download it, but they cannot enter into that app right now. They can access this app only on the day of the event. And as madam has said, that they have received the login name password in their email. With that particular information, you can log in and access it. So as madam, you said that students need to keep their video on, camera on, and show it and focus it on the hand. We have received question, what if students forget to switch on camera? Will it disqualify them?
Yes, sir. Our title attempt is for viewing the children performing the act. So those who are on the camera, the videos are being recorded, and we need to see that everyone has performed that act properly. To perform this act, I would like to tell you, Prashantji, there are few things the children have to make available in their respective homes when they have to wash the hands. So when they have to wash the hands, can I specify those things which they have to keep ready on that day?
Yeah, please. That will be very useful information.
My dear children, if you're listening to me, make sure that you write down these materials which will be required for you on the day of the activity. You can just ask your parents to bring it. The number one thing is soap or liquid hand wash. All of you have to keep handy liquid hand wash as well, or soap, any one of the thing. The second thing which you have to keep ready with you is two paper towel or a hand towel or fabric towel, what we call it. So any one thing, either it is liquid soap or soap, either it is paper towel or fabric towel. Keep them handy. Now, if you want to do this activity in front of a sink, we call it a basin, wash basin. In that case, you can go up to the basin and you can ask your parents to hold your camera, or you can fix your camera in such a manner that your hands can be seen. Now, what you have to do is you have to open the tap and wash your hands, for which we will give instruction in the running water. Maybe you don't want to go to the sink. You don't want to stand in the bathroom to do this activity. So in this case, we have another option. You keep a bowl on the table,
or a bucket,
a bottle beside, and let someone pour water in your hands while you wash your hands. So this can also be allowed, but you need to be quiet. Do not interact or talk. This is one thing which you have to keep it in mind, because the main thing is that we need to view you performing the act, not talking in your act.
Thank you very much, madam.
Important, Prashantji, is that all these children, they have to remember that this act is of 20 seconds. I repeat, the hand wash norms as per WHO is only 20 seconds. So my dear children, get ready, start practicing to wash your hands according to the norms of WHO, which has to be done within 20 seconds.
Thank you very much, madam. As you rightly said that this activity is for 20 seconds, and for that 20 seconds, that video or camera has to be on. As organizers, I am also told that you people are going to record it for 40 seconds so that none of the students will miss their opportunity to participate. So these 40 seconds going to be very crucial, where these students need to be very disciplined and start activity on time. Is that so?
Yes, yes, sir. We actually, because the method of rinsing is very important, and that is going to be instructed by the public health department doctors. And we are going to definitely share these videos. And in fact, the videos are available already in our YouTube channel, Vidyarthi Vigyan Mandir.
Thank you very much, madam. So many students, thousands of students have registered for this activity.
Yes.
And they are interested to become part of the history making. We are going to create a new record, and all these students are very, very excited. So we are looking forward for your participation. It's a simple activity. You will use an application called as IISF GWR. You will get access to your activity only on the day of your attempt. More instructions will be shared with you. But I have last question to Mayuri madam. Madam, is there going to be some trial run for this particular attempt so that people get familiar with the process?
Yes, it's a very nice question we have put up, because we believe that if we want the children to have a perfect program on the final day, they should undergo some kind of a mock drills. We are planning for that, and I think by today evening, we will be intimating to all students to get ready. First, they will have a feel of the app, not the activity as a whole. And from tomorrow, we plan to have our activity on the floor so that they get accustomed for the final detail.
That will be really wonderful. And I'm sure all these students are desperately waiting to participate in the activity and be part of this Guinness World Record attempt. Thank you very much for joining, madam.
So I appeal to all our 10,258 students, those who have registered, to please join the program and take this opportunity to the fullest by getting e-certificates from the organizers. That includes Guinness World Record people. So make sure that if you've registered, you should be part of it. That is my appeal on behalf of the organizers. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Namaste.